Hey, Yak Pack. It's your boy, Wacky Yacky. I'm sorry. So basically, a few months, well, not months ago, maybe like a few weeks ago, I spilled my tea everywhere. So this is what happened. I don't think you can really tell, but when I spilled my tea, I spilled it all over this keyboard. When I plugged it back in, it was not working. And it's been a few weeks since I've tried it, so I really like this keyboard. I want to repair it. I've been using a different keyboard, and on that keyboard, it's like fine, but it's really old, and here, I'll just show you. So basically, will not be using this keyboard to game, but I want to game. I want to play video games. So this is why we gotta repair this. Oh my god, someone's vacuuming outside. Y'all hear that? Anyways, well, the big problem right now is that keys just get stuck. It's not all of them, but it's some of them, you know, which is annoying. So first thing, we're gonna test out the keyboard to see if the keys are what they're supposed to be, and then if they are, we will try to clean. All right, let's go to monkey type, I guess. All right. Ugh. Ew. That's not supposed to work like that. So it does actually seem to be working. I'll try to finish this test. I probably should have made it shorter. I probably didn't need this much data. Oh my god, wait. Alright. Let's see. Jesus Christ, I've never gotten this low accuracy before. 25 words per minute, that's awesome. Consistency 5%. Now that is impressive. All right, now we're just gonna try it with my other keyboard. Okay, we are plugged in and we're going to repeat that test and see how well we do. Now, keep in mind, I'm not a fast typer, so okay. So we didn't do too bad, 99 words per minute. That's not too bad. 95% accuracy. That's a lot more than our previous 61%, you know? Consistency, not great, but still better than 5%, you know? Raw, 105, you know? Better than 45. And it took me 30 seconds, not a minute 30. So, yeah, I guess once I clean the other keyboard, which will probably take a few days because apparently it has to dry, we'll see. We'll compare. I think this was pretty good for me. So yeah, let's take a trip to CVS and get some isopropyl alcohol and some Q-tips, I think. All right, peace. Have y'all heard of the sunk cost fallacy?
Parked on the corner in a beat-up car, dividing up a nickel candy bar, talking all about how sharp they are. These three cool cats, three cool chicks, three.
Larger keys are stabilized, remain at the same level while going down. To properly install a stabilizer key, one must first ensure
Walking down the street, just a swinging their hips, splitting up a bag of potato chips, and three cool cats did three said, man, look at that. Man, do you see what I see?
I want the middle chick, and I want the little chick.
Hey, man, say one chick for me.
As you can see, the keyboard has been stripped of all its keys. It's very sticky inside.
Okay, let's do this.
I had to clean it in my bathroom, unfortunately, so I didn't record because I didn't want to be rude. There's also 2 sinks with 2 different water pressures. So, yeah.
They look like angels from up above. 3 cool cats really fell in love. 3 cool chicks made 3 fools of these 3 cool cats. That's what they did, brothers. Made fools of these 3 cool cats. I'm a fool for you, baby. 3 cool cats.
Alright friends, here we have the keys, all cleaned. As you can see, these are what is known in the industry as bone dry, and this is also hopefully dry. I mean, it's been drying for like, I don't know, what time is it? Well, I don't know what time it is, but probably around 4 or 5 hours now. These have been drying for over 20 hours, so these are dry. So I guess I'll just assemble it. Took like 15 minutes, and me making a fool of myself trying to figure out the arrow keys. So now I guess I'll just press every key and see if any of them are still sticky. The thing is, I don't use like most of these. Well, I do use period, comma, slash, question mark. I don't really use right alt or function or control or right shift. I don't know. I feel like this won't be a problem since it's not like I'm gonna repeatedly press this. It's maybe once or twice per sentence. So I think I'll just plug it in and see how it goes. Okay, we are back, and I'm just gonna try a typing test, and it's the same typing test as the other 2, and let's just see how it goes. Alright, so it looks like words per minute was 1 word per minute faster than what I did with the other keyboard. But it was 75 words per minute higher than, you know, when I was using the sticky keyboard. So it does look like this keyboard works. I don't know. Okay, Yakpack. That's gonna do it for this video. So yeah, success. repaired, or at least cleaned a keyboard. That's more than I thought I was capable of doing, so, you know, be sure to like and subscribe for more epic keyboard mods and tech reviews. Alright, bye.